Hey guys, it's your favorite girl Alicia Handles It, and I'm back with another video. I know it's been a while, guys, but you know, sometimes you gotta take a break now and then, right? But anywho's, this video is just to watch me work. I applied this unit. It's from Luvme Wigs Hair, and I just thought I'd come on here and show you guys how to rod wave your unit because it's hot still. It's still summertime and it's muggy out, so let's go. So welcome back to all the handlers. If it's your first time here, my name is Alicia Handles It, and what I do on my channel is how-tos, unboxings, tutorials, anything that has to do with beauty. You're in the right place. If you're willing to learn something, you're in the right spot. Just hit that subscribe button, join the squad, and we'll love on you over here. Now you guys, I'm only using a pack, or is it 2 packs? I think it's only 2 packs of rods, but I'm not sure. But just grab you a pack of rod waves at your closest beauty supply. I think I got mine at Sally's. And yeah, so let's go. It's a watch me work, and I hope you guys enjoy. There's gonna be more heat coming for you guys soon. And yeah, I'm like out of breath. So literally up next for the month of September, October, around there, we'll be doing a lot of cutting classes. So if anything you guys think you want to know, just leave me a comment in the comment section and tell me anything that you would like me to do. But remember, we also have membership where you can have in-depth tutorials for yourself. And I also have memberships where you can get shout out in every video and for showing me love. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate everything. So I'm just going to let this video go because I haven't posted in a few days and I need to keep you guys engaged. So love you and see you guys at the end. Mwah. So as you guys know, I have to lay the unit melted down before I add the rods. So guys, just pay attention. Take anything you can away and add it to your own technique. I think you guys will enjoy this, but remember guys, this wig is from @Luvme Wig. So if you like this wig, it actually came in this color. You can go over to Luvme Wigs, tell them that Alicia Handles It sent you, and get you one. On the last rod, guys. I hope you guys were able to take something away from this video. If you have any questions, leave them down below and I'll be sure to handle it for you. But what you'll see a picture at the end, of course, of what this looks like. But Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Mwah. Love you.